For sale. A unique family home. Located in Salisbury, Wiltshire, England. It offers 11 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. A rare opportunity to acquire one of Salisbury's most distinguished private homes, offering approximately 8,000 square feet of accommodation across 3 floors, including a cellar. The property retains an abundance of period features such as marble fireplaces, high ceilings, and generous windows, creating a sense of grandeur throughout. Set within around 2 acres of mature gardens, the house enjoys privacy and an impressive approach, complemented by a large covered swimming pool and a conservatory. The sale also includes a charming detached 3-bedroom coach house. The asking price of this unique family home is £1,950,000. This remarkable property, in the same ownership for 50 years, represents a once-in-a-generation chance to purchase a home of scale, character, and potential in Salisbury. Thank you for watching.